peace of mind must develop within ourselves. We can't buy peace of mind from supermarket or from medication. Now, you see, our life, global level, or national level, or individual family level, or individual level, problem there, endless problem. Buddha described that is samsara, the suffering nature, right? And our very existence is in the nature of suffering. Buddha never stated our life is a very happy one. If we are very happy, then no need to try to practice dharma and reach nirvana. Not necessary. So therefore, the problem there, you must take for granted there because of the causes of conflict or differences always there, suffering always there. This very body, the basis of illness, basis of problem. Now understand that reality. Meantime, the possibility to overcome these problems, according to Buddhism. So therefore, looking the possibility of cessation of suffering, then you get some kind of hope. Right? And think more that line while you are engaging your worldly life. Then make more balance. That's the only way. So peace must create by yourself through the way. I think basically Buddhist teaching helping us to develop realistic attitude. Problem there. Understand that. Yeah, okay, that's a problem. But I can, that problem, once you understand that problem, that problem will not disturb your mind much. If you just look problem and life is very pleasant and I'm facing unnecessary. Life is very good, very pleasant, very joyful, yet I'm confronting some unnecessary or some kind of something, my case is special sort of problem I'm facing.
That
I don't deserve. You see, that kind of attitude is the real causing of our mental problem. If you understand, there are problems. I think 6 billion human beings, including myself, including these Vietnamese, all have some kind of problems. Now I myself last 51 years as a refugee. There are a lot of problems inside Tibet. If I only look that side, then more disturbances. But we are carrying our struggle truthful, honestly, transparently. That gives me more inner strength. And more inner strength brings truth, brings inner peace, like that. So like that. I think firstly important is your life, your business work must carry with honest. If you yourself little too much clever, telling lies here and here, then you won't be happy. Must carry honestly, transparently, truthfully. Then there's no point to regret. So we must be very realistic approach, and basically our life must be because of the base based on truth, honest. These are very important, isn't it?